Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python string formattings with quotes inside it. So first of all, what are strings in Python? So string is a collection of any characters. So the definition goes like this: collection of characters represented in single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. For example, hello in single quotes, welcome to Python in double quotes. We can also use triple quotes to represent a string, which is mainly used for multi-line string. Now every string provides indexes to each and every character in it. For example, SS hello. So the indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is from left to right. We also have right to left indexes: -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So now coming to slice operator, which is a square bracket. Okay. So slice operator, it is used to access individual characters of a string using indexes. Okay. So for that we have to pass indexes. Example, SS of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or SS of -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. So now coming to string formatting. So string formatting are used to represent a string with double quotes inside it. And for this we have to use triple quotes, or we can also use a backslash. Okay, right. See here, for example, if I take SS is equals to, I'm taking a string in single quotes, hello, what's up. Now inside this string, I'm using apostrophe S. So you'll get an error for representing a single quote inside single quoted string. Similarly, SS is equals to, I'm taking a string using double quotes, hi, welcome to Python strings, and I'm putting welcome in double quotes inside a string. So for this also you will get an error. To avoid this problem, we have to use triple quotes. Example, SS is equals to triple double quotes opening and closing, hello, what's up. Inside that you can use apostrophe S. Similarly, SS is equals to triple single quotes, inside that, hi, welcome to Python strings. So here we can use welcome in double quotes. So double quotes, single quote inside a string which is represented with triple double quotes, triple single quotes. Similarly, we can also use backslash. SS is equals to hello, what, apostrophe S. Before that we have to use a backslash. So backslash single quote. So what it will do is it will represent apostrophe S inside a string. Similarly, hi, comma, welcome to Python strings. So here to represent welcome in double quotes, I'm using backslash double quote, welcome, backslash double quote. So welcome will be represented in double quotes. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. So first take a new page, write comments at the beginning of the program. So let us check the errors initially using this. Okay. Quotes. Okay. So first error goes like this. Hello, what's up? I'm representing string in single quote opening, single quote closing. Inside that I'm using apostrophe S. Apostrophe means it is a single quote S. Here you will get an error. Similarly, hi, welcome to Python strings is represented in double quotes opening, double quotes closing. Inside this string, I'm putting welcome in double quotes. Okay. So come to the prompt where you have saved the program. So Python string formatting example 1. Right. So we are getting a syntax error for using single quote inside a string represented with single quotes. So put comment for this. Similarly, we'll get the syntax error for welcome for using double quotes inside a double quoted string. So put comment for this. So the solution goes with triple quotes. Okay. Right. See here. So I'm using triple double quote opening, triple double quote closing. Inside that I'm using hello WhatsApp apostrophe s print ss. Similarly, triple single quote opening, triple single quote closing. Inside that I'm using a string hi welcome. Welcome I'm putting in double quotes. Right, so save this, come to the prompt and run it. So hello WhatsApp apostrophe s and then hi welcome to Python string welcome in double quotes. Okay. Similarly, I can also use backslash to represent single quote or double quote inside a string without using triple quotes. So I'm using double quote string hello WhatsApp, and to represent, okay, so here I'll take single quote only, and to represent apostrophe s I'm putting backslash apostrophe. Similarly, hi welcome to Python string, to represent welcome in double quotes apostrophe double quote welcome apostrophe double quote. So save this, come to the prompt and run it. So hello WhatsApp apostrophe s hi welcome to Python string welcome in double quotes. So this is how we are supposed to make use of string formattings with single quote and double quote inside a string, and it is done with the help of triple quotes and backslash. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.